In this video, I'm sharing 5 unbelievable facts about your Thanksgiving turkey. You'll find out how turkeys nearly disappeared forever, how one lucky bird gets a presidential pardon every year, and why deep frying your turkey could leave you explaining things to the fire department. Whether you want jaw-dropping trivia to impress your guests or tips to avoid a turkey disaster, this video has something for everyone. So, grab a plate, and let's explore the surprising, emotional, and sometimes hilarious world of Thanksgiving turkey. Let's kick things off with fact number 1. Americans eat a lot of turkey. Did you know that Americans eat over 736 million pounds of turkey on Thanksgiving Day? Yeah, 736 million pounds of turkey. That's enough to fill not one, not two, but 5 football stadiums with turkey meat. That's heavier than 2 Empire State Buildings stacked on top of each other. To make that happen, around 163 million people eat turkey on Thanksgiving. And on average, each person eats about 4.5 pounds of turkey. If that doesn't make turkey the MVP of Thanksgiving, I don't know what does. Now for fact number 2, Minnesota is the turkey capital of the US. Raising over 40 million turkeys yearly, that's more turkeys than the entire population of California. But these turkeys don't stay in Minnesota. They're shipped nationwide, filling grocery stores and dining tables from coast to coast. If you're serving a turkey this Thanksgiving, it likely started its life on a Minnesota farm. Minnesota farmers have turned turkey farming into a science. They use modern technology to keep the birds healthy, comfortable, and well-fed. It's like they've built a turkey utopia until, well, Thanksgiving comes around. Without Minnesota, we'd be in big trouble. Imagine Thanksgiving with no turkeys, just mashed potatoes. It's a terrifying thought. Fact number 3, deep-fried turkeys are a fire hazard. Deep-fried turkey, it's crispy, juicy, and delicious. But did you know it's also one of the leading causes of house fires on Thanksgiving Day? Here's the deal. Deep frying a turkey means using gallons of hot oil heated to 350 degrees or more. If you drop in a frozen or partially thawed turkey, the water inside reacts with the oil. This makes it bubble over, and that's when the flames start. These fires spread fast and can seriously damage your home, or even worse, your Thanksgiving dinner. So, what's the solution? Follow a few simple safety tips. First, make sure your turkey is fully thawed and dry. Second, never fry indoors or on a wooden deck. Third, keep a fire extinguisher nearby, just in case. Deep-fried turkey is incredible, but safety comes first. Otherwise, you'll spend Thanksgiving explaining your burned backyard to the neighbors. Fact number 4, wild turkeys were almost wiped out. Wild turkeys were hunted so much in the early 1900s that their population dropped to fewer than 30,000 birds. On top of that, deforestation destroyed their habitats, leaving them with nowhere to live. At their lowest point, wild turkeys were on the brink of extinction. Imagine Thanksgiving with no turkeys at all. Just stuffing and cranberry sauce. Kind of sad, right? But here's the good news. Conservationists stepped in and worked hard to save them. They reintroduced turkeys to areas where they had disappeared, and today, over 7 million wild turkeys roam the US. Now that's a comeback worth celebrating. Finally, fact number 5, the presidential turkey pardon. We all love seeing the president save one lucky bird every Thanksgiving. But did you know this tradition only became official in 1989? Before that, turkeys were sent to presidents, but they weren't guaranteed safety. Many ended up as dinner. It was George H.W. Bush who made it official, sparing the bird's life and starting a tradition we all know and love. Now, every year, 1 or 2 turkeys are given fun names like peanut butter and jelly and sent to live out their days in peace. Not a bad deal for a turkey, right? And that's it, 5 unbelievable facts about Thanksgiving turkey. This bird has quite the story, from its near extinction to the presidential pardon. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating food facts. And hey, share this video. It might just make you the turkey expert at your next holiday dinner. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.